Alright, so I'm going to do a review of the Hypertough safety glass scraper. Sold primarily at Walmart, but you can buy them just about anywhere. Maybe not the Hypertough brand, but this type of scraper. Made in the USA. Alright. Alright, so in the package we get the scraper. You got to push to extend the holding feature. It's just got two levels of extension there. We got that one and that one, two D10s. And then you got the blades, which are single edge blades. In order to get it out of the package, not the radius side, flat side, you push a little bit and push down and out. And you take the little cardboard safety off there. Be careful you don't cut yourself. You make sure you're in full extension piece, and you can see that there's a hole there that'll accept the blade. Feed it in there. Careful. Feed it underneath the two retention tongs there. So there, it's nice and tight in there. That's storage. That's kind of a intermediate scraping, and that's more of an extended. I guess that's just primarily for to insert the blade. It says insert blade position. That's probably more the operational position. So let's go ahead and I put some glue and some spray paint on this mirror, which is like glass. And what you do is you extend to the working position and just scrape. Now some of it's dried up, some of it's not. See how it kind of took most of it out there. Let me clean the residual off that blade. A little more scraping. Well, that's glue. You can see I'm taking out kind of the overspray from that spray paint. So yeah, it's coming out very well. You can see it there. So that's basically the operation of this tool. Feels good in my hand. Seems to be doing a good job. The supplied blades are super sharp. So that's how you would scrape bird poop or paint or I don't know, whatever else you might get on your windows. Old stickers that you might have put on your window in your house, like security alarm stickers or the like, or on your vehicle. Maybe you had a permit, safety permit, or camping permit, or a registration permit from the state. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's it. So, Hypertough safety glass scraper from Walmart, around $2.50. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Feels good, sharp blades. And you get a few extras. I'm not sure how many in the package, but you get a few extras. And the unit feels good in my hand. Works great.